Brian Tooley Racing BTR Truck Stage 3 Cam Kit 4.8 5.3 6.0 Camshaft. Make it a KIT. Our kit options take the guesswork out and include the following: Camshaft only, BTR Stage 3 Truck Camshaft by itself, Camshaft, springs, and seals, BTR Stage 3 Truck Cam, high quality Beehive springs, valve seals, Camshaft, springs, hat seals and pushrods, BTR Stage 3 Truck Cam, Beehive springs, seals and 7.400 long, 5/16 chromoly pushrods with 0.080 wall thickness. Gasket kit includes timing cover gasket, water pump gaskets, front crankshaft seal and new damper bolt. These Vortec truck cams require a 3-bolt timing gear and were designed with low lift so GM LS2, LS3, and LS6 springs and pushrods can